to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me. So I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. Hey guys, today I wanted to try a little twade out, a braid with a twist or a curl at the end. So you guys are going to hear my son again. I actually blow dry my hair, so I was just like, wow, like I need to try to see what my hair looks like if I do a braid out or a twade out or whatever. So you guys, I'm gonna use products. I didn't necessarily like the products that I used. I mean they were fine. It's just that I didn't feel like it was like a big whoop-de-doo. Like I used my DIY hair gel, and then I used the Aussie Moist Curls leave-in conditioner. So I mean it was okay. Like it wasn't the best, but I think I'm only saying that because of how my hair turned out for me. Because of my density, I feel like my hair looked weird. Like the products gave what it was supposed to give, but I just wasn't satisfied with the density of my hair, and that's just something that I'm still trying to get used to. So you guys, the reason why I layered the products the way that I did, and you guys know normally I do not use water-based products, but because I blow dried my hair and I only put oil in my hair, and then I had used the Split Ender Pro 2 to get all the split ends off of my hair, I actually needed some moisture in my hair because my hair was really dry at this point. So I am using a water-based product on my stretched hair, which I never do, but it did provide a lot of moisture, and I was like, I'm not going to use that much product. Don't use that much product, so your hair will dry quite fast. But you guys, I had to leave my braids up for about 2 days, and then the next day I actually could not take down my braids because my braids were still wet, which you guys are gonna see. But you guys, it was really defined. Like I said, the products did give what it was supposed to give, but my hair didn't give the fullness that I'm used to. So I mean, some of you guys might think it was a success, and for me it was just kind of lackluster. But I think what I would do next time is actually make bigger braids, because I'm so used to making smaller braids on my thicker hair, which still gave me very a good amount of density. And then I ran out of rollers, so I had to use like a chapstick, and I had to use a pen to finish curling my hair. So you guys, I am gonna let you guys watch the rest of the video, and then I'm gonna pop back in here in a bit. So this is the next day. I just woke up and I was like, I really have to get these rollers out of my head. So I woke up, turned on the camera, and tried to get these rollers out of my head as fast as I could. But I knew that my hair was still wet. So I did the unspeakable thing when you know that your hair is not 100% dry. as a natural. I took the rollers out of my head because I had to, but as you guys can see, like I said, the product did what it was supposed to do. It was just my density kind of had me thrown a little bit when I took out my braids. So you guys, I did just put my hair in a ponytail because I had to go somewhere and I knew that I was not going to take out my braids. So I came back with a black shirt on. That was probably like 2 or 3 days later. And then I took my braids out of my head just to see, because I wasn't going to actually like wear my hair out. But it was wash day and I really wanted to see what my hair looked like if I were to wear a braid out. So I'm just like, yeah, no. But look, guys, this is my husband's like, okay, like, are you almost done? Because it's almost time for us to leave. But yeah, you guys, this is what my hair actually looked like. You guys seen that one was a little wet. I know the video is going fast, but I just wanted to show you guys the difference in the density of my hair. And I'm just gonna have to work with it. You know, it is what it is. And I mean, we're gonna recover, you know. So just wanting to record it, just wanting to show you guys my hair is not perfect. My hairstyles don't turn out the way that I want them to turn out always. But and then also what do you call it? Improvising. When you run out of hair tools, you can improvise and get stuff around your house and actually use them to help curl your hair. So I really hope this video helped. I really like I said, I'm just here to try to encourage you guys and just show you guys the differences of my hair and how I feel about it at that time. So yeah, you guys, this will be the end of this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.